Testing 1, 2. Hey, hey, we are live. Happy Monday morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, Lawrence Harris, Jag Raj, R5 Studios, Timbo, Jack Wiley, Vincent and Ella. Good morning. Traitorous Chick. Good morning. Wait, Nutty Bear. Oh, man. They did me dirty. Good morning, Design Knob. Only goes up. That's right, fellas. Market only goes up. Every dip, you just buy the dips, man. You just need to buy the dips. It's crazy. We're about to fill the gap here from the overnight drop. We are about to fill the gap. I might be trading my... These are my Lucid accounts. I might take some opening trades here on the Lucid accounts. John, good morning, John. Can I wear my plush Nutty Bar? I should sell a Nutty Bar outfit. A Nutty Bear outfit. Good morning, Black Coffee. Good to see you. Dove Gordon, Peter Schapp. Good morning. Jim Mininger, Naruto, good morning. Oh, man, what? Overnight session wasn't exactly great. I mean, if I was trading right here on this double bottom, I was not awake for this. But right here on this double bottom, we failed to make new lows. That would have probably been a decent place to get long, but I really did not trade a whole lot in the overnight session, so got a lot of work to do today. Hey, good morning, Niles. Dominican Trader, good morning. Micro Player, Maga Musketeer, good morning. Niles, good morning, Niles. Nice trade. FTH, good morning. Roger Sam, Trader Ronnie Money. Good morning, David Huber, Bruce Lee. Hey, Matty Matt is in the building. Good morning, Matty Matt. You're nervous today? Yeah, that's not always a good thing. All right, the gap has been closed. Wow, look at that. Before the market even opened, I figured the opening bell we will push higher and close this gap, but now we've done it before the market opens. I'll look at it, just keep going. I'm going to switch to the 5-minute chart here. We are all the way up through the 950s again. Man. All right, morning bell is here. 9:30 is here. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Hey, Bruce Lee, good morning. Rainey, good morning. Jeff C, G Foz, Kevin G, good to see you. J to the J Futures Trading, good morning. Darren Koss, good morning. Let's see what this market wants to do. It looks like we're just going to go up. Market only goes up. 975s. We're pushing the 980s now. I mean, this is just going straight up. Wow. Okay, now pulling back. Down to the opening here at the 940s now. All right, now we can talk. Now we can think about taking a trade. I'm finally done with my Nutty Bar. Oh, that's a great way to start the morning. All right, I'm kind of debating if I want to take a trade here on my Lucid. Now it's too late. Oh, let's look at the 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart. One thing I noticed is 30-minute chart, we've got kind of this, we got a little bit of a trend line here on the 30-minute. We've got ourselves a little bit of a trend line. So be interested to see, are we going to test the bottom here, or are we going to finally break through it? We shall wait. We shall see. All right, there we go. Pulling back to the below the 940s now. Interesting. And I'm thinking if we pull back to like the 910s or maybe even the 920s, maybe I'll take a stab here. All right, I'm going to take a stab long here. And my stop down below. Can we get a bounce here? Hey, good morning, Garrett. Movie Spot, good morning. Dabda, good morning. Fred Yeager, good morning. How we doing? Some emails also still have a couple of the TBM 250Ks. Oh, yeah. You still have some of those, John? That's crazy. I think we're going to test the overnight lows. Oh, really? Yikes. That makes me nervous. And I might take 2 off here. Oh, wait, I'm on the wrong screen. You guys can't even see that I'm in a trade. Hang on. That's the, okay, yeah, here we go. Sorry. We're in a trade here on, this is on my Lucid accounts. Get a push up into the 960s and I might take it off if we start to stall here, I'll take it off. Push. Still getting used to this. Still getting used to the Quant Tower platform, but I'm slowly starting to get used to it. Charles Ward, good morning. Ralph, good morning. Snowman, good morning. Hey, freelance trader, good morning. How it doing? All right, push right here. Fill me. Oh, come on. I might just kill this. All right, I'm going to get out. No need to get greedy. Seems like we're stalling. We came down, tested the 920s. Getting a bounce off of the 920s, but we're struggling to get above the 960s. I am just going to wait. Nathan Ramirez, good morning. I like on these Lucid accounts. So the Lucid accounts, I have to trade for 3 more days, including today. 3 more days, and I need $1,000 more in profit. So I'm basically looking for $350. Once we have 350 in profit, we are done with these Lucid accounts on the day. But I'm going to focus kind of on trading these first, and then we'll switch to our Apex accounts, and then maybe we'll switch to our take profit. By the way, you guys see we got 5 brand spanking new, never been used Take Profit Pro accounts. What counts as a trade day for Apex? As soon as you take a trade. So that counts as a trade day. So if I switch permanently, Timbo, no. I still use Ninja Trader. I still prefer Ninja Trader, but Lucid has only Rhythmic, so I have to use Quant Tower because I can't have 2 Rhythmic connections on Ninja Trader. I have to use Quant Tower for my Lucid trading. Simple trading strategies. What is Lucid? I mean, Lucid Trading it's a newer platform. It's a newer prop firm. They're very similar to Tradeify. They're very similar to Tradeify, and I've had a lot of success with Tradeify. I really like Tradeify, and if we can get another payout on these Lucid accounts, I'll definitely be jumping back on the Tradeify and the My Funded Futures train, and hopefully, yeah, we're gonna stock up again, and hopefully this time we don't blow the accounts. Harubo, good morning. Do you have a tutorial on how to set up your Ninja Trader workspace? I don't, Karubo. I don't. There are a lot of videos though on how to do it. Maybe I should do it, just a full tutorial on how I set it up, but I always think like each person is, can set it up uniquely, but yeah. Do I have a link to Lucid? Oh man, I'm not sure I don't think I have it posted anywhere. I do have an affiliate code with Lucid. It's NBT. I don't think I have my link anywhere, so right now I'm just kind of still in the testing out phase for Lucid, but so far I have no complaints. They've been really good. Wait, my traded days. Wait a minute. Did I see this wrong? Whatever. Look. So this is what Lucid looks like. These are my accounts, but it already says 6 days of 8. Do I only need 2 more days? Oh, it's already figuring in today. Oh, okay. Yeah, so I need today and 2 more days. So the 16th, I'll be able to request a payout again. I already have one payout with Lucid. Now, one thing I need to make sure I don't make the same mistake with Lucid Trading that I did with Tradeify. Because Lucid Trading, you can now have 5 straight to funded accounts. Wow, look at this pullback, fellas. I'm glad we got out of our long. We were just stalling here, the 960s. Big pullback down below the 900s, testing the 890s now. Looks like we want to sell off. We are testing the VWAP. The VWAP is being tested now, so let's be careful. Yes, so you can have 5 Lucid accounts, direct funding accounts. So I think they call it direct funding. Down below, wow, look at this thing. Down below the 870s. The overnight lows, are all the way down here, the 810s. And this is looking very bearish all of a sudden. What happened? Did Orange Man tweet? Hey, Sorrel, good morning. Simple Trading Strategies, good morning. Your copy trading is from Replicanto. Yes, it is from Replicanto, Marcuse. Now, actually, one thing I've been actually really debating, but I want to do it on evals first. So here, QuantGuard now, so see how I'm connected, because Lucid Trading is rhythmic and Apex, this is rhythmic. This now, I use Quant Tower for both of these connections, but they actually have a copy trading feature on Quant Tower now, and I could basically copy trade my Apex accounts and also copy trade them across the Lucid accounts. So I've been thinking about, but I just don't think it's smart to be testing out new trade copiers on funded accounts. You're just asking for trouble. So I'm probably gonna buy some Apex evals, maybe 3 or 4, and some Lucid evals, and test that out. All right, the 15-minute range has been put in now. We're here at the 850s, basically 130 points, 15-minute range here. And I don't know what to think. Right now, it feels like this wants to take out these lows. But then at the same time, market only goes up, right? Market only goes higher, so maybe we should look at buying. Oh, I might take, now that we've broken past the 850s here, I might take a short here on my Lucid accounts. We come test the 870s. Right, we're doing it. I'm going to see if we can, I'm only in 2 micros here. I'm going to see if I can't hold for the test of the overnight lows. And we're going to have her stop, like, basically, we're going to give ourselves a pretty wide stop here. All right, we can fall apart here, take out the overnight lows. That's what we're looking for. Oh, no, Sorrel. Micro Trader, good morning. Look at the Dow. K Trader, good morning. Old School, good morning. Designer, I still think we get down toward the lows. Yeah, I feel like now that we've lost the 870s here, I do kind of like the idea that we're going to go test those lows. Just got to be careful of those V-shaped reversals. Exactly, David. Exactly. Dan Taloy Dan, good morning. Rainy, good morning. Add another 18 micros each. I'm gonna have to watch out. This thing can just rip straight up now, so gotta be careful. Got to be careful here. It's trying to rip. Don't like it. I don't like this at all. This is kind of where the 900s, if we get through that, this really just gonna V-shape. You little. Yep, V-shape reversal. That's crazy. I tell you what, these V-shapes are just insane. Now I kind of want to get short right here. I'm not going to do it. We're going to wait. Let's wait. V-shaped move. Market only goes up. Market only goes up. We should have known. Open a 30-minute chart. I do it. I just did. I have a 30-minute chart right here. And look at that. Look at that rip. Unbelievable. Look at that rip higher. We went from the 850s up to the 920s just like that in one candle. Crazy. Market is crazy. It is crazy. And we're just going to keep going. Everything is a buying opportunity. Every dip. It seems like we are at the season of every dip is a buying opportunity. So just got to remember that. Honestly, do you guys remember last year? It was last year, maybe at the same time of the year, possibly, where I had a rule. I had a rule where I only went long. I only went long. I didn't go short at all. But man, I might actually take a long here. This is insanity. Oh, geez, I need to. Makes me nervous. Man, this looks like we're just gonna go straight up. Yeah, there it goes. I need some Ben and Jerry. Hey, good morning, Mr. Wall Street. It's been a while. Where you been, Mr. Wall Street? How you doing? Good morning. All right. I mean, let's see. Can we get back above the 940s here? Another trailer sold. Had to go dark for a while. Okay, good to know. Have you seen the new TaylorMade Spider Lab putter? Wait, the new TaylorMade? I don't think I have, but I'm kind of interested now. All right, we're stalling a little bit here. We're stalling a little bit here, the 920s, 930s here. I would not be surprised one bit. I mean, I would not be shocked one bit if this reverses all the way back down. That's how crazy this market has been. It just goes, it's just crazy. Find it very difficult to trade when it does this kind of big rips higher, rip lower, V-shaped reversals. Just difficult. Like 700 CAD per they came out with a 0 torque per putter. Oh, I see. I gotta see that. Wait, you're saying it costs $700? Jeez. By the way, I didn't even tell you guys. So, you know how bad I was struggling with my putting? Oh, it was so bad. But I fixed it. I know what I was doing. Oh, I fixed my putting, man. I'm so excited. Friday I went. I was practicing a lot. I was actually watching a YouTube video on the basics, and I was it was very simple. When I took a video of myself putting, and I immediately knew what I was doing. I wasn't standing over the ball correctly, and my shoulders were tilted, and yeah, there was a lot of things wrong, but corrected that, and I've been putting like a maniac. Actually was had I should have had my best round of 9 holes ever, but I mean it was basically I tied my best round. I had 3 birdies on the front 9. Had 3 birdies, but then I finished number 9 hole with a double bogey. So ended up shooting even par, which is still good for me. Like I'm very happy with that, but I had the first 2 holes, the first 4 holes I was 3 under. I went birdie, birdie, par, birdie. And I'm like, dude, I was sure I was going to break my 9-hole scoring record, but then had pars the rest of the way and finished with it. I went out of bounds on the final hole. Par 3 and I shanked it. I was too nervous. It was a par 3. It was a 180-yard par 3 to finish, and there was out of bounds to the right, and I just literally shanked it. So sad. I was so sad. But we still finished with a double bogey. I actually did a pretty good job just finishing with a double bogey there. And finish with I actually, I had the previous hole, I had 1 bogey. So finish with even par. Okay, what are we doing here, folks? I might look to take a stab here. Do I want to take a stab long? And we gotta go. Like, kill this. Hoping for a trap here. A little bit of a trap, but it's not happening. Not gonna hold this long. Yeah, I'm getting out. See, I mean, we really gonna come back down and retest the 8? I wouldn't be shocked. We might just roll over here. Scottish Open. I actually, Snowman, I didn't watch much of the Scottish Open. The timing, I kind of missed a large part of it. I watched a little bit of the end. I saw that Rory was trying to. Yeah, I thought maybe. Rory was trying to finish one, but oh, so it's the spider. Huh. I see. Hey, Dr. Mike Trades, take care. Thanks for stopping in. Lower highs, yeah, it is. We might just start a chop fest here. That's the other option. We might start going sideways. I don't really trust the shorts, and I don't really trust the longs right here. I was hoping we would trap right here, but we're not. Like right here, I mean, it just looks like it's, maybe I can take another stab here if we break right here. Oh, come on. Yeah, now it's doing the fake outs. Hoping we would break through that 920s. Come on. Come on, rip it. Give me a nice rip higher here. Oh, I might need to kill this. My stop's going to be right here below the 900s. Come on, rip it. Give me that big boost. Oh, and it just can't get above the 920s. It just can't seem to get above it. Oh, getting faked out. We're getting faked out. Okay, so it would be, Come on, market. Now go. Go. Come on. Keep going. Oh, it's stuttering. It's stuttering. It just can't go. Come on, do it. Go. 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 All right, I'm going to take 2 off. We're going to try to get the rest to run. Let's see if we can get it running. Oh, this is teasing me. I'm going to try to be patient here and see if we can't get this thing to pop. We get above the 935s, I think we have a chance. Pop it right here. Do it. Do it, market. It's teasing. We got to go right here. Come on. Come on. Pop it. Do I need to take one off or... Hold it. This is insane. Come on. Go. It just can't do it. It can't do it. Okay, we're going to be patient. We're going to be patient. Oh, this is plating. Feel like if we get above this 935, that we have a chance to pop and just rip straight up through the 960s, but I'm starting to think I might need to take my profit here. We might need to just take the profit. Come on, go. All right. Starting to give up here if we don't get through this right now. There we go. Go. Rip it. Just do it. Man. What prop firm is this? This is Lucid Trading. This is my Lucid Trading accounts. I've had one payout with him, and hopefully Wednesday we can get another payout locked in. But we need to get this thing going. We fail here, I'm just going to get out. All right, I'm getting out. Hopefully we'll get another chance here to get in here somewhere. Oh, you know what I want? You know what I want? I want one day, just one day, where we have some nice clean moves from like 10:30 to 2:30. I want to trade, I want to stream from 10, like all the way to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And I just want to have clean moves, like just a nice slow grind higher all day long. Is that too much to ask? Just one time. Yeah, it's really not. We're just stuck. We are stuck here at the 910s and 930s. We're just stuck here. And there's nothing to do. I gotta wait. But this is probably gonna break out to the upside now and take out the 980s, but I guess so it be. Oh, I forgot to check. Do we? I don't think we have any major news today. Tomorrow we have news, I think. Yeah, tomorrow is core CPI at 8:30, so that'll be interesting. You're just stuck here. Stuck here at the 9, right here in this range for now. I still like the longs better than I do a short here, but gotta get going. Perfect. That's a good day to blow my account. Don't say that, Anthony. Don't say that. Wait, Trump major announcement about Ukraine today. Oh dear. Just what we need, guys. We need Trump to do more tweets. Just what we need. All right, we did take out the 940s, but that might have been a trap. That might have been a trap here, right up to the opening price, and now pulling back. Let's see what happens here. Hang on, guys. I gotta get some information sent out to someone. Okay, we're back. Okay, sorry about that. But that was very important. I had very important stuff that I had to fill out here. So, okay, we're back. And of course, market going higher. Shocker, shocker, absolutely shocked. Positively shocked. Man, we had that little wick lower. And oh man, I wish it would have held. Wish it would have held my longs there. Oh well. So it goes. All right, now the question is, are we going to take out the 980s up here? We got to just remain biased to the upside. We got to just, until proven wrong, we got to assume the market only goes up. Trump teases a major statement on Russia today. When? What time? That's not great. That's not really that comforting to know that at any point Trump has a announcement to make. That sounds like a scary time. Am I a smoker, Stephen Cox? No, I'm not. Nope. Definitely not. The reason that you probably ask is I have a lung condition. That's why my voice is kind of the way it is, but I have a lung condition and that's why. After he meets with NATO, which is going on right now. Oh dear. I'm sure he'll wait until market close. Right. Yeah, I'm sure he will. He'll probably wait to make an announcement until Nutty's long or short the market, and then he'll make the appropriate tweet. But hey, this is a nice move up. Nice move higher now. Do they have a time where they expect him to make the announcement? Anybody know? All right, up through the 960s now. Financial Juice says noon. Okay. John, Putin and I used to have a big, beautiful relationship. If that's how the letter starts out, we're going short. We're going short. Max contracts short. Oh dear. That's gonna be a yikes. All right, there she goes. New highs, 980s. I got scared. I wouldn't have. Oh well. 980s. Okay, we can look for longs, but was that the news? Vladimir has a big, beautiful wife. One of the biggest, one of the largest. Oh, okay, hang on. Yeah, man, this is that scares me. Might not be a terrible idea to Hey, good morning, Citizen Zero. Kid Poker in the house. Good to see you, Kid Poker. Yes, market only goes up. Hey, Trader Matt, good to see you. What copy trader do I use? Right now, I use Replicanto. That I've tested Replicanto long enough that I trust it to trade my funded accounts. Now QuantGuard has a trade copier. I'm gonna get some evals and just test it out, but for now I use Replicanto. Can you flip take profit trader evals once? Yes, you can, Citizen Zero. That's what I did with these. We've got, look, guys, you should all take a screenshot of this because you might never see them again. But for now, we have 5 fresh, brand spanking new, never been used, Take Profit Pro accounts. Screenshot it because you never know with Take Profit Trader. With me, you never know with me and Take Profit Trader. They might be gone tomorrow. I hope not. I hope not. Here comes some more sideways price action. Probably, now that we took out the 980s, we'll probably go sideways for another half hour, an hour, maybe longer. Consensus is it won't move the market much. Hey, Trader Matt, thank you. I appreciate you being here. Also, just a friendly reminder, I know I don't say this enough because I don't know. Hit the like button, guys, if you don't mind. Maybe I need to start doing more giveaways and ask for likes. And I see a lot of streamers. Seems like that is the new way to grow your channel, is to do giveaways and beg for likes every day. Like a repeatable thing. But it has been a while since we've done a duck race. I will raise my hand on that one. It has been a while since we've done a duck race. Honestly, like, okay, I'm not sure how I should say this. I got to be careful how I say this because I don't want you to take it the wrong way, but to me, the way that a lot of giveaways and stuff is a little bit cringy for me. it's like there's some channels and Twitter accounts and stuff where it's literally the only thing they do is just giveaways. It's giveaways, giveaways, giveaways. And I mean, I don't know. I guess that's something, but I guess my point is I don't want people to watch me for giveaways. That's just, I am not a giveaway channel. I don't want to become a channel that is just known for giveaways. That's it. We trade and we hang out here. Everybody's cool and we just have a chill vibe here. That's what we're known for. But I do love doing giveaways. I do want to do giveaways, but I don't. I want it to be a giveaway, and here's the thing. When I do giveaways, it's going to happen quickly, and I'm not going to make a broadcast that I'm doing a giveaway. Because if I start broadcasting that I'm doing a giveaway, then all the leeches come in, and then they take away the giveaway from you guys that are here every day. If I do a giveaway, I want it to be going to people that actually tune in every day and are here every day, not just the people that come in for the giveaway and then they run again. So you're never going to see me have these big announcements and trying to broadcast that I'm doing a giveaway. I'm going to announce it very discreetly for those that are here, and then we're going to do the giveaway, and then we're going to move on. But that's just my 2 cents. To each their own. I'm not trying to throw shade at anyone, but anyway, that's just my 2 cents. Trading is known for my fuzzy Nutty Bar plushie. I need it, John. We need... Oh, man. Make a code word for the thumbnail. I like, that's kind of what I want to do. I want to hide my giveaways. I want to hide them. I want to keep it just between us. Just us guys, not just the cool kids, not all the... But see, I remember the time this showed me this is what really got me to realize. I remember I used to do giveaways, and the only way that you could enter the giveaway was you had to be subscribed to the channel. And I started to notice in my statistics that every time I did a giveaway and you had to be subscribed, my subscriber count would increase that day, and then the next day it would decrease again. And then when I did another give, it would increase and decrease. Literally, people would subscribe for the giveaway, and then after the giveaway, they would unsubscribe. If you're going to do that, I don't want you part of the giveaway. Don't even come in here. Get out of here. But of course, you know, people are going to do that. It is what it is. All right, market, we are pulling back all the way back down to the 930s. 935s. Wow. Oh, this just does not give me any conviction. Captain Crunch. You're a funny guy. Is there a giveaway? Just subscribe. I love it. This is looking like last week. Rangy with wicks at the top and bottom. Yeah, Steve, it is. It is. And man, I'm tempted. I might take a stab here again. I'm going to take a stab here. Hopefully we can kind of an extended pullback, but kind of weird because I have to with my quant tower. You know what I should do? I should change my screen. Because I realize I have to look at this screen when I'm trading with Lucid, which means I'm looking directly away from the camera, which kind of weird, but oh well. All right, market. Are we going to roll over here? Give me a rip back up, please. Just rip it right back up to the new highs. Give me the 23,000s. It doesn't look like it wants to do it. We might get stopped here. Might have jumped in a little bit early on that one. Man, these Lucid accounts are definitely not easy today. Definitely not easy. All right, trap here and now rip it higher. Come on. Do it. Give me one of those big green candles. We need Trump to come out with a tweet. A positive tweet. Positive would be good. Cove does the entries early in the day and does the giveaway later in the day. I mean, yeah, I'm not going to talk about how other people do their giveaways. To each their own. I don't think giveaways are a bad thing, but I've seen a couple streams where people literally they do giveaways, like they do a ton of giveaways, but then they are confused why people only tune in for the giveaways. And it's like, if you're only going to do giveaways, then that's what people are going to show up for. And it can kind of get, I don't know. I mean, it's fine either way. To each their own. We might get stopped here. It's just bleeding lower right now. Oh, man. Not looking good here. Not looking good for the longs. Doing the slow bleed lower. Did I miss the giveaway? No, you did not. You'll find out when there's a giveaway. You'll find out. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to keep it. And I'm trying to think. My stop could be right here. Kind of a big stop, though. Oof. Man, I don't know. I'm going to try. Come on, market. Right here. Do it. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Give me one of them big green candles. Come on. Come on. Just do it. High volume equals trade, low volume equals fades. Yeah, that's usually pretty true. Doesn't everyone do giveaways precisely so people will show up? I mean, I know that's why a lot of people do it. I just don't want to do that. I want to do giveaways to people that are loyal viewers. I don't want to broadcast giveaways to attract new people that will literally tune in for the giveaway and then leave again. Come on, market. Just rip it. I don't like this though. You can almost feel the grind slower. The slow grind lower is here. I don't know. Maybe go. Go, rip it. If we can break above the 940s here, maybe we got a chance. Oh, you're telling me there's a chance. Oh, come on, dude. It's gonna be one of them trades. That's right, Tech11. I appreciate that. And almighty, I know most of you, that's who I want the giveaways to go to. 100%. I do really appreciate. I have a lot of loyal followers, and I want to make sure I never take you guys for granted because I really do appreciate it. I have a great time. We have a great time hanging out. Just hanging out and chilling, trading together, having fun together, listening to Ben and Rose together. It's the vibes are great. I wouldn't want to do it with anyone else. Kumbaya. Am I randomly placing trades? Yes, sometimes. Depends. It depends what time of day it is. Come on, market, go. Right here, we got to break the 940s and keep going. Don't wick me. Got to keep going here. Come on. Don't roll over right here. Don't do it. Don't you dare. Pop it. Come on, right here. Do it. Pop a top again. Oh, come on, market. Seriously? Woo. Make sure you don't forget our anniversary. No, I remember we used to do that. Check when someone was subscribed for how long. Have the giveaway winner answer a Ben and Rose song that you played earlier on stream. That way you know if they were a loyal follower. Yes, this is Quant Tower I'm using for my Lucid. I have to use Lucid on these accounts. Come on, market. Don't make me sad. Don't make me sad. Just go. You know you want to do it. Give me rip. If we can rip this like back up to the highs, would be terrific. Hey, Elwin Peterson, good to see you. Don't pretend like you're just waiting for the right time to kick you out. Oh, I'm definitely. You know I wouldn't do that, freelance trader. Why are you saying relax? I am relaxed. Come on, right here, go. Man, we just cannot get. Oh, we just can't seem to get going. Do it. Do it. How did I find Lucid connection on Quant? I'm having trouble finding them on the list of connections. I mean, I think I don't remember that there was an issue. I mean, yeah, make sure you have the latest update on Quant Tower. Let me look. Rhythmic. But yeah, there's a Lucid trading connection right there, right below Legends, and it's there. It's there. Okay, Mole. It's not wanting to go. Come on. Maybe we need to start blowing on it. Need to blow on it. Come on. There we go. Now go, baby. Don't come back. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Don't pull back again. Just rip straight up. Please. That's it. Rip it. Keep going. Leave a runner. Hey, Dean Bishop. Good morning. Good to see you, Dean Bishop. MZ316. Good morning. You definitely have to have the latest update. Yeah. You have to make sure your Quant Tower is updated. Also, your Rhythmic has to be updated for the Lucid connection to show up. All right. Do I take 2 of them off here? Feel like I probably should, just to be safe. Seriously? Not gonna feel me? Seriously not gonna feel me here. This market has a twisted sense of humor. Twisted sense of humor, I say. Design knob. Leave some runners. I'm sure they keep going. Hey, maybe this is the one time. The one time we get a runner. Maybe. Probably not, but maybe. Hey, Mike Parada, good to see you. Pastor is in the house. I love it. No, Frank, more time. You blow up your first eval. Hey, there's a lot more where that came from. Oh, we're filled. Let's go. Now keep going. Yes. Yes, go. Come on, just keep going. Do we need to do it, guys? You guys know what I'm thinking? You know what I'm thinking this market might need on a Monday morning? You guys, you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking it seems like the market needs a little bit of encouragement. Little bit of encouragement this Monday morning. Just like the market's a little bit rusty or maybe a little bit stagnant. Little bit so. I think I know what the market needs.
Slowly but surely I'm falling in love. I'm falling in
Hit the like button, guys.
Slowly but surely I'm losing my heart.
How can this not put you in a good mood? How can these this just gives me joy in my heart. Woo.
If I spend my lifetime with you,
You're just what I wanted.
you're just what I needed.
You're my every dream come true. My life's growing stronger.
I can't wait much longer.
I'm falling in love with you.
The vibes are immaculate.
Slowly but surely I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love
Nutty Bear.
with you.
Traitorous chick.
Slowly but surely you're winning my heart.
And you're winning my heart too.
You're just what I wanted.
You're just what
No.
I needed.
You're my every dream come true. My life's growing stronger.
I can't wait much longer.
I'm falling in love with you. Yes, I'm falling in love with you.
All right, we got time for one more song. I know you guys want to hear more. Just give me a minute. Oh yeah, this one.
An acre of diamonds I'd offer to you, a solid gold mansion, an airplane or two.
This whole
Hey, Camber Trades, good morning. Welcome to the Nutty Bar clan. Get nutty in here.
If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold, I'd have all the riches my pockets could hold. I'd be oh so wealthy with treasures untold. If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold.
I love it.
The tears that have fallen won't buy you a thing.
Oh no, the market. Come on, market. Don't let me down. Market likes the Ben and Rose. That's it.
Teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold. If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold, I'd have all the riches my pockets could hold. I'd be oh so wealthy with treasures untold. If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold.
And my cats just jumped out the window.
Teardrops are pennies.
And heartaches are gold.
Let's go. His words are truth. Oh, good times, good times, good times, man. The vibes are great. Now, market, just rip it to new all-time high. Give me the 23,000s. And then the vibes will be even better. Keep going. I play Ben and Rose every night when I'm reviewing the day trades. Let's go, Lee Turner. I love it. I'm 985 on my take profit trader evals. Want to jump back in? Oh, be careful, Citizen Zero. Just be careful. I've done that. We've all done that. The one more trades. Oh, let's go. Oh, feel me. Come on, market. Don't. I'm going to see if we can't. Can we hold to the 23,000s? Or am I being greedy if I do that? I don't feel like I am, but you know. Maybe we take off one here. All right. If we can break through this, if we can break through the 980s, I think we got a shot. Come on, just go. Do it, Mark. Do it. Also, we need, actually, we might not need that much. We need $340, and then we are done for the day on these Lucid accounts. My wife is singing these songs now. Let's go, Sorrel. Oh, that makes my that warms my heart. I know you guys are humming to those songs even in the afternoon. I know you guys are doing it. I know you guys are tapping your toes. You're listening, you know. Even the harshest critics. Even the harshest critics, you got that song on a playlist. And when it comes up, you can not help yourself but to start tapping your toes, going along with the it's just the vibes are, it's hard to deny the vibes. Oh wow, Kevin G, you went from minus 2,500 to being up 1,700, and my girlfriend said she's moving out. I knew she was an anchor. Yikes. Not gonna lie, Timbo admits it. He's done it a few times. Let's go. I'm actually checking Ben and Rose on YouTube right now. There we go. You're welcome. You're welcome. Why Ben and Rose haven't won a Grammy yet? Hey, give it time. You guys are going to remember when Ben and Rose make it to the big time shows. You're going to always think, oh man, I remember Nutty was one of the first ones to recommend them. We were ahead of the game. Do I just take profit here? I'm seriously debating it. We do have a double top here. I'm going to give it a chance. Giving it a chance here. Right here. Right here's our chance. If we can get through this right here, then we are good to go. Come on. Everybody together. Push! Push! Go! Oh, come on, you can do it. Go! Push! Everybody together. Oh, don't double top me. Don't do it. Don't double top. Push. Push. Oh man. Oh, go. Come on, market. Don't be like this. Come on. Right? Oh, don't, man. Do I need to take my profit here? I don't want to be an idiot. Ah. Man. Oh, it's getting really close to where I just get out of this trade. And right now it's just a pullback, so we should be okay, but yeah, I think we're gonna leave it. I do think we can get to the 23,000s here. There we go. Now rip it. Go. Go. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Right here. Pop it. Pop it. Come on, do it. We can get this target. We are done with these accounts for the day. That's kind of what I'm wanting to hold. Need one nice pop here. Just go. Go, 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 go. Being stubborn. Come on, market. Go. Don't tease me. There's no reason to bail here. I think we... Fine. Shameless new highs, says Design Knob. That's right. Yeah, I can go break even. Actually, I need to cancel this anyway. I mean, I could put my stop right here, but I'm going to get out of the trade way before this. Just got to get a pop up through the 90s here, and I think we're good. Go, right here. Pop it. Right here. Come on. It's trying so hard. And I think I just have to be patient. Hey, thank you, Mark. We need one break above the 90s, and I think we can get filled. The market has zero shame. That's right. Only goes up, man. It might be time. It might be time to implement the rule that we... Hey, there we go. Now rip it. Come on, market. Do it. One pop and we're done. One pop and we're done. Go. 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 Yes. Let's go. Boom. Shakalaka. Let's go. Love to see it. Love to see it. Man, that was a 60-point trade. Let's go. All right, we are done with these accounts. See, now this is what I do. Once I have my profit target reached, once I've got my target for the day, this is so key. This is so key for me. I just go in here in my Lucid accounts, I check it, and I lock. And I can no longer trade those accounts until tomorrow or tonight at 6 o'clock. And I'm not tempted. I'm not tempted to go back in later in the day thinking I can get one more trade. Peace of mind. I'm not even tempted to do it. All right, now we can focus on our Apex accounts. We need 2 more days. 2 more days of $300, and we are good to go. Another $9,000 payout. Hopefully, knock on wood. All right, I'm going to close Quant Tower. Actually, no, never mind. I'll just leave it open. I'm just going to minimize it. But look at this. We're all the way through the 23,000s up, testing the 2310s now. Wow. And this was that's such a nice, clean move. Now, we have the 2320s, 2310s, 15s. There's a lot of resistance right here. Again, if we look at this 30-minute chart, we got the 2320s. That is definitely going to, we need to get through that. Look at the daily chart. The daily chart is just going sideways, but higher. It might be time. It might be that time of year where we implement a new rule where we only look to take longs. We do not take shorts at all, ever. We only look for long opportunities, and the shorts, going short is just completely off the table. I feel like that's not a terrible idea. All right, 2320s, here we come. U.S. market to not move for the next 10 years. Having multiple accounts, is that key for me? Yes, I think it is. I think it is for me. Like, I love having, like, for me, I like having around 4 different prop firms in my arsenal, if that makes sense. I love, like, right now, my top is Apex, Tradeify, My Funded Futures, and, I mean, Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader is probably, I mean, right now, Lucid is probably, as far as just my personal preference, but hey, that could change. Maybe this is the time. Maybe this is the round, you know. That we can finally get over our Take Profit Trader curse. But go wait and see. All right, let's hope right now it'd be great if we could get a pullback back into the 980s here. Would be ideal. Captain Crunch. Whoa, Captain Crunch, let's go. Captain Crunch with his payout. Let's go. I love it. My first payout ever from any prop firm after 3 years of trying. Heartfelt thank you to everyone here for your encouragement. That's awesome, Captain Crunch. Round of applause for Captain Crunch. Congratulations. I know there were probably a lot of frustrating times And it is not easy. It is not easy, but congratulations on sticking through it. Hopefully this is one of many, many more to come. But it was all you, Captain Crunch. You are the one. That's exactly right, Black Coffee. You're the one that pushed. You're the one that pushed. You're the one that pushed the buttons. So kudos to you. And we are going just straight back up. Not much of a pullback happening. That offsets what Ben and Rose did to me. You pretend, John. You pretend like Ben and Rose hurt you in some way. Oh man, you are. You know what? Don't respond to that comment. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Oh man. Can we now? I mean, I'm just gonna look for a pullback. That's hey, today might be the day. Maybe today's the day that we just keep grinding higher and we're just gonna keep taking those trades as long as until proven wrong. Ben and Rose is a whole other level of challenge for many. This has to be the hardest $1.80 I've ever tried to make. No ripping and dipping. You're $1.80 away from passing. Oh man, everybody needs to give. We need to pray for ripping and dipping. That last $1.80 is the hardest. Is the hardest. We all know it. We've all been there. It is. It's also the most frustrating profit to get. You got this, ripping and dipping. You got this. All right, can we get a pullback? We are getting. Just would love to see a pullback back into like the 980, 970 area right here. I love a pullback into that area. Come on, pull back. Come on down. It's fine, market. You can come down. What is your target? What are your targeting that area in particular? I mean, I'm just looking. This was where the 15-minute opening range high was. We had previous resistance here. So I love when we kind of have this shelf put in to pull back, maybe a wick down below it, and then look for an entry is kind of, I mean, nothing sure, but what I'm hoping for. And if we get it, that's where I'm going to pull the trigger. I'm going to go with Apex is what we're going to trade next. We're going to start off with 4 micros. By the way, these Apex accounts, this was actually a very, very important week for these Apex accounts. I'm not kidding when I say I just need a good, clean week. I don't need to get to a payout this week, but I just don't want to go back. Like these Apex accounts have been doing this. We've been going sideways on my P&L chart. It's been going, basically 40, like 4,200 in that range is kind of, we get up to this level where we're like $800 away from being able to request a payout. And then I have like 2 to 3 days of losses and then back up and back down and back up. It's just, I need to get above and I need to break my P&L resistance line this week. I'd love to get like up to the 46, 48. And we need to. We need to get these accounts to a payout. It is time. It is time. Come on, market. Don't rip higher right here. Don't do it. Not like this. This is where my FOMO kicks in. Like my FOMO is, this is the hardest, always where I struggle the most. When we don't get a big enough pullback that I'm kind of wanting to see, and then it just goes without me, that's the worst. That is actually the worst. And it looks like it might go right here. Oh. Oh, man. Wait, Trump is speaking? Oh, then we will wait. Come on, pull back. Man. Oh, do I jump in here? Ugh. And this is where I struggle with. I really struggle right here. All right, I'm going in. I'm just going to minimize my size. I'm going to go only half contracts here. I usually don't like entering when we're this close to the previous high, but I don't know. I like the way this market's been moving. I'm going to jump in. I guess we'll see. Now, we do have the 20s here that we have to get through. I mean, I could just take profits here at the double top. Not really interested in doing that, though. Gonna test me. Thinking of Niles roll tree. I love it. Like a wall of green got back from the range. Don't say that too fast. Don't say that too fast. I don't like that we failed to make new highs on this move. No need to panic yet, but come on, right here. Just give me new highs. Come on. Don't want to sweat this trade. On the Apex accounts, if a trade runs in our favor but pulls back to break even, does Apex deny payout? No. Nope, definitely not. Oh, sorry. Yeah, thanks, Matty Matt, for answering that. Might get scary is what I was feeling. Yeah, I'm starting to we're starting to pay the price here for having FOMO. I mean, I still think the trade is okay, but starting to think being patient, waiting for a pullback back to like the 990s would be the play here. And man, what I don't know. Guess we just problem when you jump in early, then you got to sit through drawdown. Then when you sit through drawdown, it changes your perspective on the trade and makes things kind of fuzzy. But I still like the longs. I wish I would have been a little more patient. Like the market died. The market just died all of a sudden. Hey, Kiss Me, I Cooked. How we doing? Good morning. Shorty. Uh-oh. You want shorts? Uh-oh. Trading with JR. I've been on Apex probation for almost a year. That's crazy. I assume you've reached out to them and asked them to unban you from evals. If that's the case, I mean, I would reach out. That's the only way that I know of that you can get unbanned, but come on, market. Trap the shorts here and rip to new highs. You can do it. And this is also, I actually talked about this literally yesterday with someone. Like when we're at, like the 320s are obviously a big resistance area. So I should be way more careful on entering on pullbacks when we're right there at that previous resistance. Maybe we can get lucky here and we can get a rip. But one of them trades where it's like, man, oh, do I just kill it? Once it's banned, it's banned. Not always. Not always. I've actually seen a couple different people that did reach out to Apex and they did get banned or unbanned then. Does my code work with Take Profit Trader, Dominic Clark? Not NBT. Someone stole my NBT code, so that is not my code, but I do have a code with Take Profit Trader. It's Nutty Bar, all caps. I am starting to not like this. Oh, I'm wishing now I would have just taken my double top profits there for a little bit. I'm gonna move my stop up, I think, a bit tighter. What time is it? It's 11:30. It's red. I watched FFF channel over the weekend. Bornero. Yes, Nutty Bar plushies are coming out in 2 months. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I should actually do it. I should. Just kidding. I don't actually do it. I don't have plans to do it, but I should. Come on, give me pop it. Pop it here. Come on, Mark. You can do it. Big announcement on Russia is turning out to be the big turd announcement. In 2 weeks, we'll have the concept of the announcement announced. It's going to be big. Going to be huge. Going to be large. Going to be the biggest ever. The best ever. All right, come on, market. Rip it. Give me new highs. Do it for the one time. Or this is either going to be a rip to new highs or we're going to do the hope and nope strategy right here. Let's hope this is not the hope and nope strategy. Give me hope and then it's nope. That's the saddest strategy known to mankind. The saddest strategy known to mankind is the hope and nope strategy. Gives you hope, just enough hope to give you hope, and then it goes, nope, just kidding. We're going lower. This is where it would do it. It's going to tease me. Come on, market. Break through it. Don't do the hope and nope. Please. Don't do it. Don't do it. Pop it, pop it, pop it. Hey, market, don't make me go into my secret weapon. Don't make me get out Ben and Rose again. Because I will. I will do it. Don't make me do it. Come on. Come on, market. Hop it. Go. Go. Nobody move. Nobody make a sound. Nobody move. Everybody hold still. Don't move. Don't scare the market here. So I'm actually going to get triggered if this rips lower now. I'm going to get triggered. I can feel it in my fingers. I can feel it in my toes. I'm trying to hold. Trying not to. Deep breath. Wait, Trump is talking right now? That idiot. Tell him to shut up. Tell him to shut up. I'm in a trade. Kidding me? I knew I should have just gotten out. The old hope and nope strategy. The worst. The worst. Absolute worst. Gotta be kidding me. This always exhausts. This exhausts so much mental capital. Mental capital is easily exhausted with these kind of trades. It's very frustrating. Very frustrating. I'm gonna just get out. I'm out. I don't. If this rips higher now, I need to lock. I'm gonna have to probably lock myself out of trading the rest of the day. If this rips higher, we're gonna have a problem. Just another lesson number 2422 of not to have FOMO. Be patient when entering trades. Perfect example. Literally got FOMO'd and now just got chopped around. And it's not only the problem is, like, one thing I think we don't, or I at least, I don't value enough is our mental capital. Like, mental capital is very important. Like, even though this trade, like, I talked myself into taking it, and now we basically are just going sideways, but my mental is now from going where I had a really good day to now I'm just getting slightly frustrated with the market and the price action. And you even though you might not lose much money, you can still lose a lot of mental capital, and that can then affect your next trade. It's something I have learned the hard way. Is I know, like, if this now rips higher, like, that is step one to me going on tilt. And I still think identifying your tilt triggers, like identifying what puts you on tilt, is probably the most important thing in trading for me anyway, because once you are full-blown tilt level, like once you are in your tilt zone and you are actually on tilt, then it's too late. Like, it's too late. It's over. You no longer have control over your extremities, and you're just clicking buttons for the fun of it, and you really don't care anymore. Like, you don't care if you're going to win or lose. And once you get to that point, it's too late. But if you can identify what puts you there and then shut down your trading before, like, once those triggers start to happen, that is how you can actually get ahead of the game. And I think, what was my stop loss at right here? I need to actually, I'm going to go back on stream and look. I need to know. Because I moved my stop loss. My stop loss was 22,991 and 3/4. 22,991. The low was 22,992. I probably would have gotten shot in the tick right here. Honestly, I probably would have. Knowing how it goes, and now it would be going. Oh dear. This is frustrating though. Mental capital is real. Will Grimmer. It's so true though. It is. Like, it is so true. Look at this. Like, now I'm just going to get frustrated. I hate. Ugh. Right now, what would make me feel good would be if this just continues to bleed lower, would be a good thing. But it's starting to look like, I don't even know. It's just, we're going sideways. We're stuck at the 23,000s. Let's go, Orlando. You got one of your PAs above 2,600. I love to see it. I just admit it was a bad trade. I mean, that's what I did, Nick. Or was that, maybe you said that earlier, but that's literally what I did. Oh man. I guess we wait. Let's just wait. See what happens if we make new highs or not. Let's hope I didn't break any rules. Fingers crossed. I've gotten so angry at myself before that I proceed to blow an account and then to continue one after another. Exactly, Naruto. Exactly. We've all been there, and that's like, that is what prevents you from being, that's what really does prevent you from being, being able to be profitable. If you struggle with tilt sessions, it's ugly. It is not a good time. And let's see, this looks like it's gonna rip now. So frustrating. So Oliver, Lucid only has rhythmic at the moment, Oliver. Olivier Banza, I think it's Olivier maybe, but yeah, they only have rhythmic at the time. Hopefully they're hoping to add Tradeovate in the future, but right now they only have rhythmic. Unfortunately, I wish. By the way, I was talking earlier. I need to make a game plan. Well, first, I don't want to put the cart in front of the horse, but if I do get another payout with Lucid, I think I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy Tradeify accounts again, and then I'm also going to stock up. I want to get my funded future accounts, but I also want to add 2 more accounts on Lucid, because Lucid now allows 5 straight to funded accounts, and I don't want to make the same mistake I did with Tradeify, where got only 3 accounts to the max payout, and then they put me live, and I basically leave money on the table. But I'm not. Yeah, I don't know. We'll cross that bridge when we get there, but it's looking like our expenses for July are going to be, we might have a new all-time high in a monthly expenses for July. I was hoping that wouldn't be the case, but man, tell you what, it is so easy. Like, it's easy to spend a lot of money with prop firms if you're not on top of it and tracking it. If I would not be tracking and sharing my expenses, I know my expenses would be probably $10,000 higher, honestly. I'm actually very happy that I started tracking it. It just gives me a better sense of where I'm at. Trying to look for Trump. Where is Trump? Man, this really does look. I mean, this looks good for the longs, if I'm just gonna be honest. Every little dip gets bought up. I think it's just a matter of time before we jump back up through the 23,020s. Maybe we can get a bigger pullback. We can get a pullback back into this 980s and we see a good entry signal. I guess then I would be okay taking another long, but I don't know. I don't know, man. Definitely not feeling confident. Not feeling confident right now with this price action. Very much. I could convince myself. I could convince myself that I'm doing that it's a long and a short. Olivier, if I'm trading, yes. So this is Lucid. So here, I'll show you. So this is Quant Tower. I'm just showing, this is Quant Tower. I'm using Quant Tower to trade my Lucid accounts. And basically the P&L chart you see here is just a screenshot of the Quant Tower profit and loss. Because I can't connect more than one rhythmic connection to my Tradebate or to my Ninja Trader. And currently my Apex accounts are rhythmic, so that's why we gotta do it like this. Okay. Okay, now I'm starting to be what are we doing, market? Make up your mind. Man, every dip here is getting bought up. Why don't you use affordable indicator dashboard? I do, Bent Capital Trading. This here is the affordable indicator account dashboard, but because I can only have one connection with Rhythmic, I have to just basically this is just sharing the Quant Tower account dashboard for my Lucid accounts. Wait, Trump is now done? Wow, that did not move the market much at all. Oh man, I could really talk myself into taking it long here. Yeah, my fund of future is great. My fund of future is great, but I really want them like a couple weeks ago. My fund of futures, they kind of did a teaser that they're gonna make like they're gonna make some changes for the better. Like you're gonna be able to have 5 funded accounts. But I haven't heard anything official. I wanna I'd love for them to just make that official. Or at least give us a time frame on when that will happen. I kinda wanna wait till I would love to wait till that is official to buy my next round of evals with my funded futures. That way I'm loaded up and ready to go. And I am so tempted to take a long here. Oh. Wanna do it. But I will say, if we get stopped out here, this is probably going to be the last trade of the day. Give me that break. Come on. Oh, this is so painful. Just cannot get anything going. You know what? I'm okay with the risk. I'm okay with the risk. If we get stopped out here, we're just gonna have to accept it. We're gonna have to chalk it up as a learning opportunity. Going down. Don't say that, freelance trader. Don't tell me that. This consolation is super nutty. Do you know if Apex still has the 5-to-1 risk to reward rule in place? No, Steve Crew. I mean, I don't want to say for sure, but I can say I've not seen it be enforced. Yeah, I don't think so, but I guess I'm also not 100% sure. My probability of winning goes down after 11 a.m. Same. I think I could say the same thing. I mean, we've had some pretty decent moves like around the lunchtime hour, but a lot more likely that we've just seen where the market kind of dies. And I don't know, this might be happening again. Just can't seem to get going. Somebody somebody turn the market off and turn it back on again. I think it's broken. Unplug the machine, plug it back in. Something ain't right. Broken. Uh, Even if you win, it's gonna be a painful session. Yeah, it could be. We both can't get anything going here. You've been short, NQ, after 11. That's crazy, Black Coffee. Yeah, being short or long, both directions weren't really that great, but I don't know. I just can't. This market just is dead. Dead. This is what sucks. Like I would love to stream longer. Feel like I haven't really streamed that long, but I can't just can't do this. Once the market just starts going sideways and it's barely moving, just you can't really trade this. Like honestly, the overnight sessions have better price action than what we've had in this little consolidation. And it's crazy to me how we go into these tight, very narrow ranges, just go sideways. And it's been happening a lot lately. Unbelievable. Urgh. Yeah, Niles. I mean, we've talked about it. Actually, kind of, I think what I'm going to do, guys, or like what my plan. Okay. Once we get to, I'm thinking like maybe, I don't know, maybe once we get to 18,000 subs or, oh, hang on. Sorry. I got to take this call. 1 minute. Okay, we're back. Hey, don't say anything, guys. The market, let's not talk about the market. Let's just not look at the market. What were we talking about earlier before I got interrupted by that phone call? What was I talking about when I got distracted? What was it? Talk about your patience in the market, freelance trader. Oh, the night session. Yes, yes. I mean, my patience, I feel like sometimes I have patience, sometimes I don't. It depends on my mental capital. It honestly does. So the night stream, here's what I want to do, guys. I've always wanted to do this. I don't think anyone does this really, but I think it would be fun. And what I want to do, I was thinking we'd do it like at 20,000 subs, but maybe we'll do it at 18,000 subs. Some kind of like a milestone. And then I want to do a 23-hour stream. And basically, we go live at 6 o'clock in the evening and we trade until 5 o'clock the next evening. I've always wanted to do that. Like, I think that would be fun. It would be crazy, but it would be fun. I can do it. I know I can do it. And yeah, we just do a 23-hour stream. And obviously I try to, maybe we could do some giveaways. We can, if the market isn't, I'd like to do it on a day where maybe when NVIDIA has earnings, like when NVIDIA has earnings, the overnight sessions are usually pretty active. That would be like a good time to do it, but I'm definitely going to do that. I'm definitely going to do that at some point. And yeah, for me, it's just difficult to do an overnight stream like on a consistent basis because I do value my evenings, like my evenings, spending time with family, that's usually when I spend time with the kids and the wife and, we get ready. I think for me, it's very important as a family that we all get together, and usually we read a story in the evening. We have a family, just a family session before we go to bed. But so yeah, it's just difficult because then like streaming the overnight is just difficult. And a lot of times I will be putting on my trades and I put on my stop and my take profit and I kind of let it go. So it's not like I'm sitting here in front of my computer and you know what I mean? So it's kind of different, kind of difficult, but send the wife and kids on a little vacation when I do it. Hey, maybe I will. But I would definitely want to do a 23-hour stream and we will do it. We will do it. I'm just not sure yet when. But I'll be sure to let you guys know. And it'll be fun. I think that'll be a good time. We'll have to like schedule things to do when I start getting tired or when price starts to be really boring. We could play, we could play some flight simulator. We could do some pretty crazy things. Oh man, market, can you please just go higher? I'm begging you. Please, please, market, just this one time. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Is this the Ninja Trader web-based platform? Liquidated. No, this is the desktop version. This is the desktop version. Did I get the Florida house, Sean? No. Not yet. Guys, let me tell you something. I want to tell you guys a secret. If you're a 1099 contract self-employed, it's crazy. Whoa, what was that? I pushed something on my screen. I'm not sure what I pushed, but yikes. Let me tell you, if you're a 1099 contract employee, self-employed, getting a bank approval for a home purchase is a nightmare. Like, geez. It's crazy. It is crazy. I mean, I thought, like, being that I have a 1099 from last year, like, I have 2 years history of 1099s. I thought that would be enough, but nope, it is not enough. They literally want you to send in a blood sample, a stool sample, a pee sample, and they also need you to your dental records. They need your social security numbers. I mean, it's crazy. They just need everything. They call your wife, they call your mom, they call your friend, they call everyone just to verify stuff. Jeez. You did, Travis? You used Rocket Mortgage? Ricky Fowler sent you. I love it. Oh, I love it. They see 1099s as unstable income. Yeah, I know, Steve. You know what? It's crazy. Like, this is how far they went. Like, they actually want to see all my different affiliate income. They want to actually talk to the people that I'm currently affiliated with, and they want to verify that I'm still in good standing as an affiliate, and that I'm still an affiliate. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy everything they ask for. Whoa, everybody hold on. Nobody talk, nobody move. Whatever you guys have been doing in the last 10 seconds, I need you to keep doing it. Don't look at the charts. Everybody breathe very, very slowly. Be very calm. Very calm. Don't move. Yes, Camber Trades. It is actually a very, very good point. That is actually not even an LLC, but a S Corp. I think if you're an S Corp and then you pay yourself a salary, I think maybe a LLC would work as well. But if you're an S Corp and then you pay yourself as an employee, then it will just look like then you have a W-2. And if you have a W-2, they don't investigate as much. They kind of just take a W-2 as what it is, and they don't really, you know what I mean? So that's actually a very good point, Camber Trades, that, yeah, something, okay, I have to, come on, market, please don't make me take profit here. I want you to go to new highs. Could you please? I mean, pretty please, with a cherry on top. Yeah, S Corp, but okay, actually, yeah, you're right, Camber Trades. You can still pay yourself as a W-2 employee on an LLC. You don't have to do that as an S Corp. You're right. Yeah, okay, you're right. Yeah, LLC would be fine. I would do the S Corp because the S Corp is very similar and it just makes more sense, but yeah. I mean, it's kind of weird because it's essentially the exact same thing, but they would look at it differently. So whatever. Whatever, man. Come on, market. Rip this thing higher. Give it to me. Give me new highs. Yeah, let's go. Okay, do I hate being greedy. All right, we're gonna take one off and we're gonna get a runner going. The infamous runner. And we get a runner going. Oh dear. The infamous runner. I know, don't even remind me. I know they never work, but don't tell me. Come on, market. Just keep going higher. You know you want it. Now I'm so glad that I went back in long. My mental capital is back to full. my mental capital is back up to full capacity. Let's go. W-2s are the way to go for sure. Yep. I never really thought about the I mean, okay, I'll be honest. I wasn't planning on buying a home in Florida, so but I guess you never know. It's just it's weird. I kind of thought, hey, if you have 1099s, a couple years worth of it, that's usually good enough, but man. Oh yeah, it's real funny. It's funny how when we started looking at some homes with a realtor, we started looking at some homes with a realtor in Florida and kind of gave them, okay, this is what I want and this is my budget. Like this is kind of the budget that I want to stay within. So they wanted to pre-approve me. And, you know, I had to submit all the documents for pre-approval. The pre-approvals, no problem. Pre-approvals, you know, they wanted to approve me for way more money than what I wanted. I didn't want that much. And but now when it's actually time to do closing, now all of a sudden they need all this additional stuff. It's like I thought I was pre-approved, you know? Like, I'm glad I didn't actually take everything they wanted to give me. Yeah, pre-approvals are good for toilet paper. That is so true, full-time trader. That is very, very accurate. Design knob. Put up the $47,000 mower as collateral. Oh, that would be funny. I'll call the bank like, "Hey guys, I got what you need. I'll send them a picture. I'll send them a photo of my lawnmower like, "Here, you can have this as collateral." Oh man. Too funny. When I was a realtor, I'd always tell people you really want to get pre-approved for your net income versus gross. Oh yeah, the I mean, it's crazy. They wanted I mean, they were literally willing to like, okay, they were willing to double the amount that I was looking for. And I'm like, well, I ain't doing that. And I mean, I think I've talked about this in the past, but for those of you that are new, I'm a diehard Dave Ramsey advocate. Okay. So I love Dave Ramsey. Okay. There's some things that I don't do fully Dave Ramsey style. But I think Dave Ramsey's overall common sense approach to finances is very sound. But like, okay, some of the things I don't do is like, I do have credit cards, but I pay them off every month. Like clockwork, no exceptions. Every month they get paid off. And I think, I mean, anyway, that's one thing I do. I know Dave Ramsey wouldn't approve, but whatever. Um, But one thing I really do like about it, like what Dave Ramsey says, is that your monthly mortgage payment should not be more than 25% of your yearly net income. So whatever your net income is per year, your mortgage payment should not be more than 25% of that. And I think that is a very sound approach, because I don't like, what I hate is, like, yes, could you afford a lot more house? You could, but then all of a sudden you're strapped and your finances get tight. I don't know. I just love to have, I want to have wiggle room. I want to be able to live. Like, there's people that I know of that have their mortgage payment is 50% of their monthly income. 50% of their monthly income just immediately goes to the mortgage. I mean, that does not give you a lot of room for error. Uh-oh. I just now paying attention to this. Oh, market, really? Do we really have to do this dog and pony show every single day? Every day we got to do this? Come on. I wish I was if I was a little more confident in this move high. I mean, I am actually, let me try to unbiased view at the market right now. The truth is, we failed to take out the lows here. We failed to take out the lows, which is bullish. We've made new highs, new highs, new highs. So until proven otherwise, this is definitely a long trade. I think we keep the longs. What I'm thinking about doing is, if we come back down to my entry, I think I might add back 1 micro again. Might do that. Let's wait and see. We'll just kind of try to grind this higher together. No envelopes for me, though. Oh, sorry, Travis. I did FPU. Yes, I did not know that you did Dave Ramsey trading with Travis. Let's go. Yeah, I don't do the envelopes either. I don't do the all cash, like all that stuff. I don't do. Again, I do have credit cards. I pay them off every month. Like, but the overall concept of being responsible, because here's my, like, I'll share a little bit of my journey. There was a time that I was making less than $80,000 a year. I was making less than $80,000 a year. I had over $100,000 in debt. That is debt that was consumer debt. Over $100,000 in consumer debt, plus my mortgage. And I was making $80,000 a year. And I can assure you, we were just scraping by. Like, and that's when I discovered Dave Ramsey. And I was like, okay, me and my wife had a meeting and we were both on board. This was probably 12 years ago. And I mean, times were tough. There were times when the checking account was zero and negative, and we literally had to go through the change jar for groceries. It was that bad. It was bad. And I was sick and tired of it. I made some terrible decisions. Like, Let me be clear. It was all my fault. It was not my wife's fault. It was all my fault. I was an idiot with money and I was sick and tired of it. And we went totally Dave Ramsey style. And for 4 years, it took us 4 years on, I think my income went from 80,000 to 100, and I think it went just like 110,000. So my income did increase from 80 to 110, but in 4 years time, we paid off 100,000 of our consumer debt. We became debt free except for the mortgage and started to apply the Dave Ramsey principles. And I gotta say, I mean, it changed. It really did change our perspective on money, and then also just how important, like, there was a time when I was living above my means. Like, there was just, I wanted a new vehicle. You wanted to be like the Joneses. You wanted to be like everyone else, and you took on debt and you opened another credit card. And it's just, it is if anyone is in that position right now, like, that is not a fun place to be. I can assure you. And it's not worth it. It's not worth it. And I remember when we decided, we were like, you know what? I am sick and tired of being sick and tired. And we went full Dave Ramsey. We had a budget for every single dollar. We paid off our debt, smallest to largest, the snowball debt. And it was a grind for 4 years. We literally didn't do anything. We didn't go on vacation. We didn't eat out. We literally did nothing. And every dollar we could make, we put on our debt. And 4 years later, we paid it off. And I can still remember. I still remember the feeling of freedom of not having that debt over us. Oh man. It's something that I have to it's easy. It's like Dave Ramsey says, it's very easy to wander into debt, but it's impossible to wander out of debt. You have to be intentional. If you want to get out of debt, you got to be intentional about it. You got to make a plan. You got to be intense. You have to be very intense and serious about it, but you can do it. It is possible. All right, market. We're struggling here to make new highs, but so far, I think we're fine. Nothing major here. The biggest thing I want to avoid here is just a huge rip lower. Sorry guys, I wasn't reading chat here, all of us. Sorry. I was 40,000 in debt when I started my debt-free journey. Let's go, Camber Trades. That makes me so happy to hear other people like getting out of debt. That's awesome. I love to hear it. Isn't it the most freeing feeling in the world? Like not having debt. It is such, it changes your perspective on, it actually does make a big difference. Like just your perspective on life. Like when you get paid, and there's nothing more deflating, even, and especially as a man, as a husband, and someone that is supposed to provide for your family, when you get your money and you get your paycheck, and by the time Monday comes around, the paycheck has literally been spent and everything is just spent on paying off debt. It's so deflating. It's so annoying. It's so annoying. It's not fun, man. But once you get through that and you don't have any, like, you actually can save money and it's not like you're living on eggshells, or it really is awesome. Oh my, are you serious, Captain Crunch? That's not true. I ran up 3 trillion in credit card debt last year in evals and PAs. Don't do that. I hope that's not true. Unfortunately, it's the American way. It is trader's chick. It's so true. It's so true. Like the American dream, you know, just take out more credit cards, take out more debt, and keep living like the Joneses. Yes, exactly, Canberra Trades. You don't ever want a car. Exactly. Exactly. You still live in a studio apartment in Miami and I can afford a 3-bedroom. Hey, that's right. That's awesome. That's awesome. But what is Ramsey? It's Dave Ramsey. So if you don't know Dave Ramsey, I mean, just search him up on YouTube. You can see. Oh, it doesn't take long for you to. You'll know he's also funny. It's also funny to listen to. So I don't know why, but it's very entertaining to like listen to other people's financial story. It's just very entertaining and it's also motivating. I remember the one thing that kept me going when we were on our debt-free journey, like the one thing that really kept us going was listening to other people's journey and hearing them talk about them being debt-free and being able to do it. Like it motivated us that, you know what, we can do this. Cause I mean, there were times where I was not sure that it was possible. But listening to other people and listening to them do it, it gave us motivation and it helped keep us on track. And that's when our kids, Kevin, which Kevin would have been like 3 years old, 2 to 5 years old when we were doing it, and he still remembers it. Like he still remembers us talking about being debt free and like going through that journey. He sacrificed as well. There were definitely a lot of things that he wanted to do at that time that we couldn't. We said no. But now we can do it. And I'm also I'm a big believer in, I mean, I think it's wise to have a retirement account. I think it's okay, but I am not going to live frugally now so that when I'm 70, I can have a lot of money. Like, I want to save for retirement. That's great. But I also want to be able to bless other people now and make memories with family now when you can. Like, creating memories and, you know, being financially responsible also, but still be, you know, creating good memories, going on vacations and family trips are very, very important. It's the only, you know, we never know. We never know how long we have with how much time we have with loved ones. We really don't. Nothing is guaranteed. All right. This is where we should see new highs right here. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, Tyler, your dream car is the Red Rover 2025. Oh wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. See, my dream is okay. I don't really have a dream car. I'm not that much of a car person, but the one thing I want to do is I want to go to Pebble Beach and I want to golf Pebble Beach. That right now, that's like probably number one on my bucket list. That is, and I want to go to the West Coast, travel up the West Coast, with family. That's my bucket list right now. I don't know when we're gonna do it, so I don't know. It might go a year, but all right, right here is important. This is, I mean, if we roll over here, I might need to just take the loss. Not a loss, but I would love, oh man, I would just love to see this market grind higher the rest of the day. This is going to be important right here, if we can do it or not. And I'm going to add one right here if we do make a move back up of wait. Getting her that car to show her we made it. Oh, that's awesome, Tyler. I do have, my wife actually has a dream. Hang on. I got to be careful that she's not listening. I don't think she's listening. I don't think she's listening, but my car has a dream. My wife has a dream car. Okay? And I hope she's not listening. I don't think she is. But don't tell her, but my dream is to gift her that car for her birthday, where she has no idea. No idea. But it's going to take, going to require quite a bit of, I don't know. I'm not sure yet how I'm going to do it. My car has a dream wife. That is not what I say. Horse and buggy. I thought she already had a minivan. No, it's actually, here's what it is. I'll show you guys. Hang on. Geez. Oh, no, I forget the name. Oh, here it is. So her dream is the Kia Carnival. Kia Carnival is what that's her dream. So maybe one day. Maybe. He's about to pull up in chat. I don't think she's listening. I remember sitting at a dealership and the payment was $1,500 a month. Oh yeah, yeah, I don't want to do vehicle payments anymore. I'm not a fan of that. Not gonna happen. I'm a big believer that if it has wheels, pay cash. Because there's obviously there's some instances where it's true, but for the most part, if you buy anything on wheels, it is going to depreciate. You're going to depreciate over time. So the worst is when something is depreciating over time, plus you have a loan and you're making interest payments, it's like a double whammy. Oh, I could business expense it. I could put a Nutty Bar Trading logo on it, and then I could make it a business expense. That's a thought. That's a thought. Yeah, Travis. Yeah, you could. I'm not at that level yet. Wait, as a full-time mechanic, stay away from Kia? Really, Steven? Interesting. Ah, I see. Only Nutty Bar logo. I'll do the Nutty Bar logo, and my new logo is going to be the Nutty Bear. We're going to make the Nutty Bear is the new our new logo. Come on, market. Go up. You're making me wonder if I should have just taken my profits up here. Just don't roll over, please. Okay, I might add one right here at... Gosh, do I do it? I'm gonna do it. We're gonna do one here, and now we're gonna have her stop. I'm okay with this risk. I'm okay with it. I really am. Iwata is red. Where? Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right. But I don't have the signal bar yet. I don't have it yet, but I might get it. If I do get that, I might kill this trade, actually. Oh, man. Still feel like as long as we stay above the 990s here... Be a little disappointed here if we don't... We had a Kia, the engine died at 105,000 miles. Warranty ended at 100. Ooh, yikes. Yikes. My laughing emoji was for Nutty's hobby. Come on, right here. We need a nice green rip. Back above the 20s. That would be ideal. Come on, market. Would you listen to me one time? I think I've asked for the one time 10 times today. This is... starting to make me nervous. Starting to make me nervous here. Wanted to see some momentum here. Hey, what? All this moving average, how do you use it? I mean, I like to just see it. I don't really trade specifically off of it. I just want to see it. I want to see where the 9 EMA is, the 14 and the 21 and the 50. Not like I just use it specifically for entries. I like seeing where it is at. So that's interesting. Kia and Hyundai have lots of engine failures. Todd, in her battle with Alzheimer's, never did I ever expect this would happen to us. Oh no, Todd, really? Every day you have. Don't boast about tomorrow if you do not know what a day may bring forth. I'm a full-time caregiver for my wife of 45 years. Oh man, Todd Timmons, Mike, you have my empathy. Alzheimer's it's in my family. My granddad, my My grandpa had Alzheimer's, and oh man, bless you for taking care of her. That's that's actually one of my bigger fears is Alzheimer's. And I such a Alzheimer's is such an ugly disease. It just I hate how it creates I hate how it makes you into someone that you're like you don't recognize who they are. It's so difficult. Okay, market, come on, go. But I'm very sorry to hear that, Todd Timmons, and bless you for taking care of her. And I told my wife, I said, if I might make my will. So if I have Alzheimer's, I want you to put me in a home somewhere where I'm comfortable, but put me in a home. I don't like it pains me to think of my wife having to take care of me if I have Alzheimer's. It just I've seen what it does to I've seen what it does, and it's a very ugly disease. Go market. Come on. All right. You know what? I'm going to take one off right here, and then we're going to see if we can't keep going. Give me new highs, baby. Insulin resistance is a big factor with dementia. See, I'm a very I follow a lot of studies on Alzheimer's, like clinical trials, different stuff like that. I am very interested in like just the research into Alzheimer's and dementias. I'm very interested in it because if there are things that are directly tied to it, then and I can be proactive with it, I want to do it because yes, camber trades. Exactly. Exactly. That is always the very, very, very difficult. If you have someone with Alzheimer's that is aggressive, it's so difficult. Like you almost have to put them somewhere that they can get the correct care. Um, and man, that's how my grandpa was. Like my grandpa, um, with his Alzheimer's, he became very aggressive. And it was so difficult. It's so yeah, it's really difficult. You would Neil, so you're saying you would give up nutty bars. Okay, hey, hold on. Let's not jump to extremes. Into a full facility as I can't manage her well anymore because of her incon. Yeah, Todd Timmons. And the thing is, Todd Timmons, like, and I think it's great. I think it's great to take care, but there is a time when you have to know when you can't take care of her anymore, and that you have to know when you can't do it, and it's okay. It's okay to ask for help. It is totally okay to ask for help. And I remember when my grandpa had Alzheimer's. Um, my parents obviously were taking care of them a lot more, but they went to one thing that really helped them was they went there was like a class or like a teaching session where they went to where they basically kind of taught you how best to handle people with Alzheimer's and how to um because the other part that is really difficult with Alzheimer's is the onset. The onset of Alzheimer's right in the beginning stages is oftentimes where it's misdiagnosed maybe, and they're enough loose like they have enough um it can be very frustrating because they might not know they have Alzheimer's, you might not know they have Alzheimer's, and then there's just a lot of frustration, and then that makes it worse. Um, it's it's a very I mean, I don't take this the wrong way, but I always say I want a semi to hit me before I get Alzheimer's. Like just take me out. Just, it that that disease scary. Uh anyway, let's talk about something more positive. But man, you heard Mr. Neil. Well, I can imagine Todd Timmons. I can imagine. Man, bless you, Todd Timmons. And I'll pray for you. That's that is rough. That is a difficult man. Yeah, your brother-in-law died from dementia. Yeah. And it's such a crazy disease that basically they go backwards in their lifespan. Like there's a time when they like with Alzheimer's, the beginning they might recognize they're probably going to keep recognizing you and they keep going back in time is the way that Alzheimer's, at least how I understand that it works. It goes back in time and at the final stage of Alzheimer's is that they will literally curl up in a fetal position and that's where they will like that's like the final stage and it's just so difficult to watch someone go through that. Anyway, let's talk about something more positives. Ugh. You survived an aneurysm 4 years ago? Oh wow, Niles. Wow. That's wow. Hey, that's very true. That's kind of what I was saying. That's kind of what I was talking about earlier. Um, and I think that was your point, Todd Timmons. Like we never know. We never know what we're not promised tomorrow and I want to create memories and I want to travel and I mean obviously within reason. I don't think it's wise to go into debt to do it, but if I have the means and the ability and the sound mind right now, now is when I want to do and create memories with my kids, my wife, and do it now. Yeah, just I've seen people that they don't have to live frugally. They have a lot of money, but they just want to hoard more and more money, and they just hoard money, and then all of a sudden they get old and they start to lose their abilities. Like to me, that's sad. Like, and it's you have a lot of money, but you never used it to a either bless other people or use it, when you can. All right, we do have the first signal for a short right here. I'm going to actually create a stop here. I'm going to have a stop right here. That is the first. Hopefully hopefully we can rip it here, but don't. I'm going to have a tight stop. Yes, yes, Tate. I do want to do that. Actually, you know what? Let's go, market. All right, you know what, guys? We're gonna do a giveaway today. The giveaway, we are gonna do a giveaway. Exclamation mark Nutty for a chance to be entered. It's gonna be open for 10 minutes. It's gonna be a cash giveaway. $100 to first place, $50, 75 to second, and $50 to third place. Okay, here we go. Can we make new highs? It's just been it's been a while since we've done a giveaway, and yeah, I appreciate you guys. So let's do a giveaway, and also if you know, let's see here. Okay, new highs. Let's go. Hang on, hang on. Oh, we're back. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry about that. Cody was yelling for me. I didn't realize that the wife she went grocery shopping. All right, let's look at the 30-minute chart here. And I feel like the 2340s is kind of the next area, and I think we'll take profit here at the 23 at the 40s here. We'll front run it by a little bit, and we'll take that. Yes, joking. I am definitely wanting to trade these Apex accounts, and I really hope I can have a good week on these accounts. Happy June 14th. Good morning, Red Poker. Come on, let's get filled here. Go, baby. Let's go. We did it. We did it. All right, man. This is starting to look like one of those slow grinding higher days. I love it. I love it. Now, let's hope we can get another pullback. Gotta wait for another pullback now. Am I going to watch the Royal Pot Rush humble the world's best players this week? Oh yes, I'll be definitely watching that. We'll be watching that. That'll be fun. Okay, got 2 minutes left to get entered. 2 minutes, and then we will pick names. Your first time here, we will be picking 10 names. 10 names will be, or no, do we do 10 or 15 names? I forget. I think we do 15. So we do 15 names. 15 names will be entered in a duck race. And then the top 3 finishers, first place will get $100, second place 75, third place gets 50. And it will be I prefer to pay through PayPal, but I'll get you the money. If I have to wire it to you, I'll do it. I have done that in the past. I've done a wire transaction to people in the past that don't have PayPal. They don't have Cash App. They don't have Venmo. When does the giveaway end? In literally 1 minute. 1 minute. All right, market going higher. Did we take out the 40s? I think we did. Highs. Yep, we did. What about Wise? I don't even know. Oh, man. Hang on 1 second. And we're back. All right. The giveaway is over. All right, let's do. Oh, Red Rover, did you actually not get in? Oh, that's unfortunate. My own brother. Wait, let me see. Okay. Okay. We're going to resume entries for like literally 1 minute. Red Rover, next trade, Lou and Max 90, Scratcher Itch Trading. Come on, get your name in. You got 2 minutes, 1 minute. No legit giveaway allows friends and family. Rigged. If Red Rover gets entered in the giveaway now and he wins, we're gonna have to do a full audit of this whole giveaway. I agree. We will have to do a full audit. Oh man, that was gonna be awkward. Exclamation mark Nutty. All right, I'm gonna end it. Oh wow, I don't even have my clock. No one even noticed I don't have my clock up. Wow. Wow, market just continuing to grind higher. Okay, guys, stop it. Now stop. Everybody's done. It's over. Stop, stop, stop. Everybody stop. 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 Oh my gosh. Okay, giveaway is officially over. All right, we are now going to do we're going to do the race. We are going to do the race. All right, here we go. This is how we do it. We've got 237 entrants. And we are going to pick 15 names. Let me get ready here. Here we go. All right, here we go. Winners. Here we go. Here we go. And the first name to be entered in the duck race is going to be Neo. Let's go. Neo. Congratulations, Neo. OG. All right. Good luck, sir. Next name's going to be Kane. All right. Kane. Good luck, sir. Here we go. Next name. Prop Factor. Prop Factor. Congratulations and good luck. Next name's going to be Paul. Paul is in for the giveaway. Let's go. Good luck. NQES Trader. Good luck, sir. Next name. Out the Mud Trading. You guys are funny. Out the Mud Trading. And you guys think I have a weird name. You guys think I have the weird name. Trade and Cat. Trade and Cat. Good luck, sir. Or ma'am. Farhan Khan. Farhan. I'm just gonna call you Farhan. I don't even know if that's right, but sounds right. Good luck, sir. Next name, Schwing. Schwing. I love it. I love that name. And next name is gonna be Nikki McDowell. Nikki McDowell. Good luck. And now we have to take out 5 names. Don't worry, you're still entered in the duck race. Don't you fret and don't you frown. All right, here we go. Next name is, hey, let's go. Rosie Rose. Rosie Rose is entered for the giveaway. I love to see it. All right, next name, Max 90. Max 90. Love to see that. Good luck, sir. Okay, here we go. Next name, Jack Wiley. Also nicely done. Love it. Jack Wiley. Okay, we got 2 more names. 2 more names. Here we go. Marco Polo is in the duck race. Good luck, sir. And here we go. This is the final name. Here we go. And it is, oh my stars, Diddy Fading King. Why are you guys like this? Oh, good. Why are you guys like this? Diddy Fading King. I tell you what. Okay. Hang on. Let's go to our let's go to the full screen session here. Market is continuing higher. Wow. We gotta lock it in, boys. And you think I have a weird name? I mean, come on. Okay. Oops, wrong. Whoops, wrong. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Let's move me. Let's make me smaller. Okay, I think that'll work. All right, we've got 2 minutes on the clock. Oh, not 20. 2 minutes. Set. Make sure the sound is on. There we go. All right, is everybody ready? 2-minute race. Here we go. First place, $100. Second place, $75. Third place, $50. May the best duck win. Here we go, and they are off. Here we go. What kind of duck is Marco Polo? Marco Polo duck's got a cigarette or a cigar in his beak. That's a new one. Marco Polo, Max 90 and Rosie Rose, and Paul Prop Factor and NQES Trader. They are in the lead currently. And now Marco Polo, Rosie Rose, and Prop Factor. Here comes NQES Trader. Here comes Prop Factor now taking the early lead. We've got Neo in the red duck, a very fan favorite duck, the red duck. Neo bringing it in the middle of the pack right now. We've got Diddy Fading King making a move at the top of your screen. He's trying to make a move, but NQES Trader has a commanding full-length lead. But here comes Diddy Fading King now challenging the lead. And we have a minute to go. Here comes Out the Mud Trading now, picking up some speed. And he's about to take over. There he goes. Out the Mud Trading now officially has taken the lead. NQES Trader is getting tired. Diddy Fading King is dropping back. Here comes Neo. Fan favorite Neo and Kane trying to make a move into first place. And here comes Schwing. Purple Duck Schwing now making a move. We've got a 4-way tie for first place. Who can make the move? Here comes Paul, Schwing, and Neo neck and neck heading into the final round. 20 seconds to go. Oh no. Oh no. Neo just broke a leg and fell back. Here comes Schwing in commanding lead with 10 seconds to go. But here comes Jack Wiley. Superman is making a move. Jack Wiley and Nicky McDowell, they are making a push, and Jack Wiley takes it home. Jack Wiley, the Superman duck, just had an out-of-body experience, and he takes home the prize. Wow. Wow, impressive. Unfortunately, we're going to have to go back and look at the replay, but it looked like Neo might have broken a leg or a couple, I don't even know, but he dropped out fast. And Schwing didn't even make it into the top 5. Oh, that's unfortunate. I thought Schwing had it locked in. Unfortunate. He was leading with 10 seconds to go, and Jack Wiley. We have Jack Wiley in first place. We've got Nicky McDowell making a very strong push for second place. And then in final third place, we've got Marco Polo with the cigar in his beak. Captures and locks in third place. Very nicely done. We've got Diddy Fading King in 6th place. Kane came in 4th. Prop Factor came in 5th. NQES Trader. All right, it looked like Neo recovered, and he did make a final push, and he ended with 9th place. So you got to give him credit for getting back up. Unfortunately, Rosie Rose Rosie Rose just never could get going, and she finished in 14th place. Oh man, you hate to see it. All right, everybody, congratulations and thanks for playing. That was fun. It's been a while. It's been a while since we've done a duck race. All right, good times. Okay, now this is what I'm gonna put my email here. Hang on. Okay, first, second, and third place. That is my email. Send me an email with your PayPal information and also a screenshot of your YouTube channel just to make sure it's you. Send that to me and I will get your funds sent as soon as possible. Yeah, yes, Niles. Hey, nice try, Rosie Rose. You tried your best. The duck must have had a bad day. What can I say? All right, man, look at this market. We are just continuing higher. I wish I would have held. I should have held, man. This is interesting. I mean, the next level is the 23,060s. And then we have the all-time highs. All-time high right now is 23,112. So who knows? We could do that. We broke above this channel and we are just going for it. Very impressive. Let's go, Max 90. Nice job. Great job. Oh. Didi almost won. Hey, you're welcome, everybody. That was fun. That was fun. Ah. Oh man, I'm not sure if we're not gonna. I mean, we're gonna get another pullback here, but I'm also. It's 1:15. I actually do. Hang on, let me check my phone again. Hmm. All right. Let me check something. Hang on. I mistyped earlier. Sorry, not medical advice. I'm suggesting Dr. Palmer's. Okay, Dr. Palmer's research is any kind of solution for your situation, but I wanted to mention. Oh, I see. Okay, good to know, Captain Crunch. Man, we are really just grinding this higher, but we are not getting any pullbacks. We are not getting any pullbacks. It's just going straight up now. That wasn't part of the plan. I'm gonna have to be patient here. Again, just a reminder for the 3 people that won the giveaway, make sure you email me. Jack Wiley won, Nikki McDowell, and Marco Polo. My email's in the chat. Make sure you email me, screenshot your YouTube channel, and send me your PayPal information, and I will get you those funds as soon as possible. You're long at 2028? Nicely done, nicely done. I wish I would have held. I mean, I don't know. Remember right here, we got shook out of our trade right here, but then we re-entered, which I'm very thankful that I did. I'd be very frustrated right now if I didn't. But reason I did, I mean, we had all this time to go lower and we just didn't. Every time it seemed like we were going to make a bigger move lower, it would just immediately get bought up. And look at that, just going straight up. Now up to the 60s. Ay, ay, ay. Bella, you got a compliance review email. I'm not sure how to find past trades from last week. So Bella, do you have Rhythmic or Ninja or Trade of 8? Oh, really, Saral? What? Trade of 8? I mean, if you go to log into your Trade of 8, you should be able to find, you should have it. Wait, Trump is live right now? Where? Where is Trump? Let me look. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, I do see he's live. Oh, dear. Do I want to watch this? Hey, Jack Wiley, make sure you send me an email. Congrats on winning. Let's go. what am I using for my levels? I mean this here, you mean the 15-minute opening range? It's the WADA it's the trade double indicator initial balance is what it's called. Oh no. Sorry, Black Coffee. Sorry. Oh no. Oh, excuse me. Wait, people are receiving a compliance email? Send it to me. Or I'm curious what it is. Excuse me. Oh man. All right. I think I actually need to go. Oh wow. Okay, now we're gonna get a pullback here. I don't know what I want to do. I need to leave for about an hour. Actually might be closer to an hour and a half. And I mean, then it's going to be one. I think I'm going to call it for today. I think I'm going to call it, and I might trade more if we get a nice pullback, but I'm not going to be at my desk. So, I guess we'll see. Oh man, excuse me. My throat is acting up. It asked for it. Well, I think a lot of, I mean, was that the same thing that they asked for before? Okay, explain the strategy and then upload it. Yeah, I think I have to do that too. Yay! Which I don't care. I buy pullbacks. I enter here, I sell here. That's all it is. It's pretty simple. I don't know how that helps, but hey, whatever. All right, I think I'm going to call it. I'll be back tomorrow. I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. And yeah, we'll be back tomorrow. I hope you take care. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. And we will be back. Take care and God bless.